Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Aarti. In today's video, like even before starting today's video, the summers are right around the corner, so I'm gonna try reminding you guys to drink water every time I upload a video. So drink your water. I'm done with drinking my water and now let's get started with the video. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys perfumes that are under 300 rupees and all of these last longer on your body. None of these perfumes disappear after 2-3 hours. These linger throughout the day and I'm really happy that I could actually get all of these in under a budget. So let's get started. The first one I have is actually a roll-on. I'm going to show you guys. All of these are true tested and tried by me itself. So the first one that I have is actually a roll-on. It is from Almas. This is their Dove's roll-on. This is how it looks like. Now this is one of the most concentrated perfumes I found. This, because it is a roll-on, it comes in this kind of a packaging. It is very easy to carry. You can just take this and you can like pop it in your purse and you're good for the entire day. This is very friendly and it is about 100 bucks or something like that. I will leave it in the description box, all the links. But this is a long lasting perfume. If you apply this, your entire house will smell with this. This is it's very concentrated. At the same time, this is free from alcohol as well. So I like using this on a daily basis. Like, you know, it's like that. It smells like the beautiful Dove bar kind of a scent, but it's really potent and it lasts a really long time. And it's like 100 bucks, you guys. This is from Almas Perfumes. You can buy it from their website or else you can also buy it from Amazon. It's available on Amazon. I will leave the link again in the description box, so check it out. But this is a really good perfume. It lasts a really long time and I have stocks and stocks of this. It comes in this bottle. And I have so many stocks of this that I will never run out of this in my entire life. So it's a really good perfume and it smells and lingers on your body throughout the day. It's an amazing perfume. The next one I have is actually a deodorant and this is from Avon. This is their very famous little black dress body perfume. This is how it looks like. It comes in a typical black packaging and it's really sturdy. And this is how it is. This smells like much more on a muskier tone. So if you're somebody who likes musky scents, definitely try this. Like the Dove, this is completely floral. It smells like a Dove bar. But however, this on the other hand, this smells a little more muskier. Like this is like the typical date night kind of a scent. It's really good and it lasts for a long time. They do have a fragrance version. This is a spray version. They do have the potent fragrance version as well. Again, all the links will be in the description box, so check it out. But this is a really good perfume. It lasts for a long time and I'll recommend this not during the day but during the nights. If you're going out in the night and you want to, like, you know, add a little perfume that, you know, everybody's thinking what is she wearing, and you know, that beautiful sultry smell, this is amazing for that. It does wonders and it lasts for a long time. So definitely check this out. And this is for about 299 bucks. So it is exactly on my budget. So yeah, this is a really good in the budget and it lasts for a long time. The next one that I have is another perfume and this is from Miniso. This is how it looks like. Yeah, this is how it looks like. It's a very tiny perfume. You guys can already see how much I've used it. So it's a very, yeah, this has a more of a fruitier yet musky kind of a scent. Like this is like, you know, your typical working woman kind of a scent. Now this I've used for a long time and I'm almost done with this now, and this is for about 250 bucks and it's really good. It lasts for a good 7 to 8 hours. All the other perfumes last for about 12 to 15 hours for me. This lasts a little less. This lasts for about 8 hours. But I feel like that's really good. 8 hours of work shift and it lasting throughout the entire work shift is really good. And I really like it. This is for 10 ml and this is really tiny and compact, so you can like put it in your bag and you are sorted. Like you're gonna smell like this throughout the day, like if you want to reapply and all of that. It's very beautiful smell. It is amazing, and I love the rose gold packaging and detailing as well. It's so pretty, and it does not like come out. It's very strong packaging, and Miniso does really good perfumes. I have another perfume as well that is also from Miniso, and this is their body spray. This is their unique deodorant body spray in the fragrance Passion. This is how it looks like. This is a typical non-gas deodorant, and this is a really good body spray, I feel. And for body sprays, I've tried so many. The Nivea, the Dove, I've tried so many. I did not find something that lasts longer. Like I don't think those last for, like I can still smell them but not so strong and potent. This on the other hand, you guys, oh my god, this lasts on your body and your clothes throughout the day. Even if you don't wash your clothes, you can still wear the same clothes the next day and you will not smell bad. You will smell like this exactly. This is amazing. I do not know what Miniso does. These perfumes from Miniso, like the body sprays, are really good, and this is for about 150 bucks. So 150 rupees, and this lasts for a really long time. I think 3 to 4 months easily aa jayega if you wear it on a daily basis. And I really like this one. This has, okay, this fragrance, I'm so sorry, I can't explain the fragrances much well, but this is more of a, you know, I want to tell this as like the shaving gel foamy kind of a scent. Like, can you guys understand? That is how this smells for me, but it's really good. It is super highly potent, and at the same time this lasts for 24 hours, you guys. And trust me when I say that, I love that Miniso. Out of all these, if you can try one, try this. This is one of the best perfumes, and it lasts for a long time. The next perfume that I have, the next and the last perfume that falls under our category of under 300 rupees is the Nykaa's perfumes by Masaba. This one is specifically in the shade, I want to say, Spot On. These are the travel versions, like the mini, and these are for about $2.99, but there are multiple offers that keep running on them. Specifically, this particular fragrance is really good. This smells like, I always remember this as one of my teacher's deodorant. Like, though, do you remember that when we were in our schools, our teachers used to smell like one particular deodorant? This is how it smells. It's really good, and it's so rich and potent. I really like this one. So what I did was, I've used this a lot before, and I bought another one, and I've also bought all of the Masabas, the other ones, but I've not tried them on. But this I've really tried. This is the Masaba by Nykaa, and this is in the fragrance Spot On. This is really good. This smells like, I'm gonna put a little on, okay? It's such a fragrant full product that, you know, it's gonna last a long time. And at the same time, can you see this packaging? It's so pretty, so sleek, and you can like write, it goes into your purse, and it's very compact. At the same time, it's lasting a long time, and this is for about $2.99. But there's so many offers that keep going on Nykaa that you can definitely go ahead and give this a try. You will not regret these. And the last thing I want to share with you guys is something much more on expensive side, but it's worth all the money for me at least. Can you guys see that little glitter on my shoulders and my collarbone and all of that? That is from the Bath & Body Works Shimmer Mist. They do bunch of shimmer mist, and Bath & Body Works is always on sale. So try checking out, and if you can, give this a shot. This is an amazing product. Like, if you do not like highlighting your body with a brush and a highlighter, you can just carry this with you. And I think they have the minis as well. I'm not sure about that, but these are really good, and these are worth the money. If you're somebody who loves the body glitter situation, the shimmer mist from Bath & Body Works work wonders. And those are all the perfumes that I have under 300 bucks, and these are all long lasting perfumes, and I hope you found something that is useful for you as well. If you did, go ahead, hit the video a like, and Come join my family, you guys. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.